Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. We are wearing the same outfits, but I told you we were doing a second video, and in the second video, we are doing the taste tripping challenge. So we have these little pills. They're called Mberry Miracle Fruit Tablets. And supposedly when you put them in your mouth, they're going to change your taste buds. My little dog smells the food and he's ready. He's ready to eat some. So we're gonna go ahead and take these pills now, and then we're gonna try about 10 different types of food and see if they actually change. We got this from Caffeine Lights. She did it with her best friend, so I was like, we have to do this. I wanna see how this works. So let's see. So they all come in this little cute package. I think we just take one, right?
Yeah. What does it already say?
Yeah, the box is not descriptive at all.
It says duration 30 minutes.
Alright, so we have 30 minutes to try all these foods.
I'm trying it now. Oh, they're so little.
Yeah.
Look how little they are. Can you see it?
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put it in now.
I put it in.
Oh.
It tastes weird already. Swirl it around.
Yeah, I'm like swirling it around till it gets my whole tongue. Ew.
What?
It doesn't taste good.
It does taste powdery.
Yeah. I don't like that.
Chip. You see Chippy? Oh. Do you see him yet?
Yeah.
Takes a while.
Yeah. 30 minutes later. Alright, so our little pills are basically dissolved already. So I think we're gonna start off with the Jello. We have this little jar of Jello, and we're each gonna take a spoon of it and see if it changes.
Cherry?
It's cherry. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's cherry. So I think that these pills, like if it's supposed to be sweet, it'll taste sour, and if it's supposed to be sour, it'll taste sweet, right?
Yeah.
So Jello's kind of sweet. Should taste sour.
I'm scared. I don't think I'm used to it.
Yeah.
I don't know how to eat now. Tastes the same.
I think it tastes more sweet.
Isn't Jello always sweet?
I don't like Jello, so I don't know.
It actually does taste pretty sweet.
It tastes sweet.
Yeah, I don't know what it tastes good.
If Jello tasted like this, I think I would eat it. It tastes really sweet.
It does taste sweet.
We have like a carrot muffin. So what we did was we kind of got like half of it and just split it in half.
Okay, we're doing this like this.
And I think this is what we're gonna eat next. So this is a carrot muffin.
Tastes exactly the same.
Yeah. It tastes a little bland. Like it started off tasting like carrot.
When I swallow, I feel like it kind of changes the flavor of it. Ew.
It tastes like
kind of tastes
wheat
nasty.
bread. Like it doesn't taste like carrot.
No.
It tastes like wheat bread.
Yeah.
Like straight up wheat bread. Our next thing is a slice of provolone cheese.
You're gonna take the whole thing?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
I like provolone cheese.
Yeah, but with this thing in my mouth? It's more bitter. Provolone's not this bitter. That tastes like Swiss.
Oh my god, yes.
It tastes like
And
Swiss.
I do not like Swiss cheese at all.
This tastes like Swiss. Wow. It's very
Oh
bitter.
my god. It takes a while to hit you. Like in the beginning you're like, oh, it tastes the same. And then all of a sudden it's like, boom. Swiss cheese.
Yeah, that's literally...
I don't like Swiss cheese.
It tastes really like cheesy.
But it's
like
not bad.
goat. No, I don't like it. Oh, you don't like Swiss cheese?
I don't like Swiss cheese.
I do not like it. It has too much like... Have you... Like goat cheese? I don't like goat cheese.
It tastes good in the beginning.
It reminds me of goat cheese.
No, I don't like goat cheese.
Ew.
I'm done with this cheese.
Okay. Sour Patch?
Sour Patch. I want to see what's up. This one's gonna be weird because in the beginning it tastes sour and then it's supposed to be sweet.
Yeah, let's see.
What if it's the opposite
I
now?
want a blue one too.
First it's sweet.
Ready?
Then it's sour. Cheers.
It's not sour at all.
Yeah.
Imagine, it's getting sour now. I'm not even kidding you. You know when you're...
I told you it's gonna be the opposite. It's gonna be sweet and then sour. It's getting sour.
Does it ever happen to you, like, when you eat something sour, like, in here? Like, it's really watery, and you're like, That's what I feel right now.
Oh my god, yes. As soon as the sugar dissolves and it's supposed to be sweet, it turns sour. The next thing we're going to go ahead and taste is the Miami Wise Hefeweizen style ale. It's from the MIA Brewery Company. So we're going to go ahead and put it in a cup and see what it tastes like.
I don't like beer, so we're going to see how this
I've actually
goes.
never tried this beer though, so I'm not sure what it's supposed to taste like. But
it smells like Bud Light.
ew. Oh, I'm not excited for this.
Tears. Ew.
Oh my
Ew.
god.
That's
it tastes
disgusting.
like chocolate.
No.
Yes, it tastes like a chocolate
It hit
beer.
me like super strong.
oh
like,
my god, that's terrible. I don't think that beer tastes like that normally though. I don't think so because I've heard that beer is good. I've never tried it, but
I kinda wanna try it.
oh my god. It tastes like chocolate.
No, it gave me like a really strong flavor, but I don't even know what.
Oh my god, it's terrible.
It was so bitter. It's like more bitter than a regular beer bitter.
I'm gonna throw up.
I love chocolate.
Doesn't it taste like a chocolatey beer, like one of those dark malt beers?
Oh, yeah, but that's not chocolate.
like coffee-ish,
Like
you know
those dark-
those malt beers. That's what it tastes like, and this ain't no malt beer, right? It's clear.
Okay, I did not like these.
Yeah, this is not good.
That's good.
All right, so what we're doing is we're squeezing the lemon into our spoon, and then we're gonna see. 2, 3. Oh,
I like
that was good. That's like lemonade.
That was good.
I like that one.
Now you
Wow,
see why
that's really
Kathleen was
good.
like, I could
Wow,
eat
that's
this.
really good.
That's really sweet.
I like that one. I can make lemonade with that. I need to wash my hands. Okay, next thing we're gonna be doing
Where is he?
Oh, right under me. Is a Dorito Cool Ranch flavor. Let's see. I still have that lemony taste in me.
Yeah.
It's the same.
It's a little sweeter. It's not as it's more like subtle. It's kind of like the same flavor, but to me, it tastes more subtle. It's not as strong. Oh yeah, I like it because I like these Cheetos.
Yeah.
You heard me?
It's good.
I like these Cheetos.
I heard I like it because I like these chips. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and try the pineapple juice. It's really sweet.
Sweeter.
Very sugary tasting.
Yeah.
And it doesn't taste like that normally.
It doesn't have like that kick at all.
Yeah.
Like, you know, pineapple? No.
It tastes more like,
It's a little too sweet.
yeah.
Like, they put too much sugar.
Repugnante. Like, ugh. Like that.
You sound like Amelia.
Yeah. Is that when she said the
Yeah.
for the pineapple? That's what it is.
Yeah, I think she did.
I forgot what she said it for, but if it's that, she's right.
Coffee?
Coffee. This one I'm not excited
Can
for.
I just like put this in here?
Yeah. We have this cold brew organic vanilla coffee. This is actually really good with like creamer. So I don't know. I'm a little scared though to have it alone.
I'm not a big fan of like
I'm gonna have a stomachache after this.
dark coffee alone.
Me neither. I'm not even a fan of coffee. Okay, so cheers.
Hey, wait. Wow,
Oh
that's terrible.
my god. I'd rather. Oh!
That's the worst one.
Oh my god.
That was so
That
bitter.
tasted so nasty. Wow.
That's terrible. That coffee is really good.
I think I'd rather have the cheese 20 times more.
That was disgusting.
I need some Jello. That was disgusting. That was worse than the beer.
Oh yeah. Mhm.
That was worse than the beer.
That was the worst one so far.
Oh my god, that was nasty. All right, and then the last thing we have are our little apples. It was a candy apple, so it has like chocolate and stuff over it. So we'll see. Let's see what's up.
Caramel. It's really good.
I like this, yeah. It's not that sweet. It's like the perfect amount.
Because usually candy apples without this tripping thing, they're a little more sour. This is a little sweeter, but it's not like the pineapple juice. It's like a perfect sweet. I'm gonna try the chocolate. It has like peanuts and chocolate.
All right, so those are all the foods we were gonna try. I
What was
think
your
the best
favorite?
one, yeah. That apple was good.
I like the apple. I like the
lemon was really good too.
Oh, the lemon was pretty good.
The lemon was like a good lemonade. I think, yeah, the apple and the lemon.
Well, I like the chips kind of taste the same.
And chips tasted the same to me. For sure, the coffee was the worst.
worst.
Oh my god, don't even try that.
That was the worst.
Yeah.
And the Sour Patch was cool because it was
switched.
the complete opposite.
Yeah. The carrot cake tasted like bread. It was weird.
Like no flavor, nothing.
Yeah. Oh my god, it was weird. I had fun doing this. This was different. Like seeing what everything was gonna taste like. I wasn't expecting a lot of it, especially the coffee. That threw me off really bad. Like,
That was gross.
But if you guys want to go ahead and try it, I got these pills at Amazon. I think I just put taste tripping pills and it came up. And yeah, just try it with different food. You can try it with the same food and see what we experienced. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below. If you like these type of videos, give them a big thumbs up. And hopefully you'll see Yanni in my channel soon. If not, she'll have her own channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye.